Hello friends, on this video I will show you how to set password. Before we start, do not forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. At first you have to move on setting, then scroll down, then you see your password and security. Just click on it, then click on screen lock, then you see your password. Just click and you have to wait. Now you have to click on got it, then you have to type a password. Now I finished to type my password. Just click on confirm. You have to write an same password. Sorry. Now I finished to type. Just click on OK. Sorry. Just click on OK. You see here, add your fingerprint to unlock your device with it. I will not add. You see here, it finished to set. I will try it. You have to type a password. Same password. I'm sorry. Just click on here. You see, it finished to select. Set. If you love the video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. And thanks for watching.